Welcome to iTech Grow. I bet you didn't know how crucial cost management is in a dynamic, containerized environment. As businesses increasingly embrace cloud-native technologies, managing costs in such an environment has become paramount. Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, or EKS, has emerged as a leading platform for deploying and scaling containerized applications. Recognizing the critical need for granular cost insights, Amazon recently introduced a game-changing feature: split cost allocation data. This powerful addition empowers organizations to gain unprecedented visibility into their EKS spending, enabling smarter financial decisions and optimized resource utilization. Gone are the days of grappling with opaque cloud bills and struggling to allocate costs to specific teams or projects. Split cost allocation data provides a granular breakdown of EKS expenses, allowing businesses to pinpoint the cost drivers within their Kubernetes clusters with laser-like precision. By attributing costs to individual pods, organizations can gain a comprehensive understanding of how their resources are being consumed and identify areas for optimization. This newfound clarity empowers teams to make data-driven decisions about resource allocation, ensuring that every dollar invested in their cloud infrastructure delivers maximum value. The introduction of split cost allocation data marks a significant step forward in cloud financial management, providing organizations with the tools they need to navigate the complexities of Kubernetes cost optimization. Join us as we unlock the secrets to achieving cost efficiency and financial transparency in the world of Amazon EKS. Traditionally, deciphering Kubernetes costs has been a challenge, with expenses often aggregated at the cluster level. This lack of granularity made it difficult to identify cost-intensive applications or optimize resource allocation effectively. Split cost allocation data addresses this pain point head-on, providing a detailed breakdown of costs at the pod level. This granular visibility empowers organizations to understand precisely how much each application, service, or even individual component contributes to their overall EKS spending. Imagine a scenario where an e-commerce company experiences a surge in traffic during a flash sale. With split cost allocation data, they can track the cost impact of this increased demand in real time, identifying precisely which pods are consuming the most resources. Armed with this information, they can make informed decisions about scaling strategies, ensuring optimal performance while keeping costs in check. This level of visibility was previously unimaginable, forcing organizations to rely on estimations and broad-stroke approaches to cost management. The ability to break down costs at the pod level is a game-changer for organizations looking to maximize their return on cloud investments. By understanding the cost implications of their architectural choices and resource allocation decisions, businesses can fine-tune their deployments for optimal efficiency. This granular level of cost visibility paves the way for a new era of financial transparency in the realm of Kubernetes, empowering organizations to take control of their cloud spending like never before. The benefits of split cost allocation data extend far beyond simply identifying cost drivers. By providing a clear and comprehensive view of EKS spending, this feature unlocks a cascade of advantages that can transform an organization's approach to cloud financial management. One of the most significant benefits is the ability to optimize costs with surgical precision. Armed with detailed insights into pod-level spending, businesses can identify and eliminate inefficiencies in their deployments. For example, they can identify over-provisioned pods consuming resources unnecessarily and adjust their resource requests accordingly. This granular control over resource allocation ensures that applications receive the resources they need without incurring unnecessary expenses, leading to significant cost savings over time. Moreover, split cost allocation data promotes greater financial transparency within organizations. By attributing costs to specific teams, projects, or business units, organizations can gain a clear understanding of their cloud expenditure patterns and hold different stakeholders accountable for their resource consumption. This transparency fosters a culture of cost consciousness, encouraging teams to optimize their deployments and make responsible use of cloud resources. This shift towards data-driven financial management empowers organizations to align their cloud investments with their business goals, driving greater efficiency and profitability. Unlocking insights, accessing and utilizing split cost allocation data. Accessing and utilizing split cost allocation data is a seamless process, tightly integrated into the existing AWS ecosystem. The data is automatically generated for all EKS clusters and can be easily accessed through familiar tools such as the AWS Cost Management Console, AWS Cost and Usage Reports, or the AWS Cost Explorer API. This seamless integration ensures that organizations can incorporate this valuable cost information into their existing financial reporting and analysis workflows without any friction. Visualizing and interpreting the data is equally straightforward. AWS provides a range of tools and dashboards that allow users to slice and dice the cost data based on various dimensions, such as namespaces, deployments, or even individual pods. This flexibility allows businesses to analyze their spending patterns from multiple angles, gaining deeper insights into their cost drivers. For instance, they can create custom dashboards to track the cost of specific applications over time, compare the cost effectiveness of different deployment strategies, or identify trends and anomalies in their spending patterns. To further enhance the value proposition, AWS offers comprehensive documentation and support resources to guide users through the process of leveraging split cost allocation data effectively. This includes detailed tutorials, best practice guides, and sample code snippets that demonstrate how to integrate the data into custom applications or reporting tools. This commitment to providing readily accessible resources ensures that organizations of all sizes and technical expertise can harness the power of split cost allocation data to achieve their cost management objectives. Charting a course to cost-effective Kubernetes. Implementing split cost allocation. Data is not merely a technical endeavor but a strategic imperative for organizations seeking to navigate the complexities of cloud financial management in the age of Kubernetes. To fully leverage the transformative potential of this feature, organizations should adopt a proactive and strategic approach. This begins with fostering a culture of cost awareness across all teams involved in the development, deployment, and management of cloud-native applications. By educating stakeholders about the importance of cost optimization and the availability of granular cost insights, organizations can empower their teams to make cost-conscious decisions throughout the application lifecycle. Establishing clear lines of responsibility for cost management is equally crucial. Organizations should assign ownership of cost optimization initiatives to specific individuals or teams and provide them with the necessary authority and resources to drive meaningful change. Regular monitoring and analysis of cost data are essential for identifying trends, detecting anomalies, and measuring the effectiveness of optimization efforts. By establishing a robust cost management framework that encompasses these principles, organizations can transform their approach to cloud financials, moving away from reactive cost control measures towards proactive cost optimization strategies that drive sustainable business value. EKS enhancements, a call to action for modern enterprises. The introduction of split cost allocation data in Amazon. EKS represents a significant leap forward in cloud financial management, empowering organizations with unprecedented visibility and control over their Kubernetes spending. This feature is not merely an incremental improvement but a fundamental shift in how businesses can manage and optimize their cloud costs in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. As organizations increasingly embrace cloud-native technologies and containerized workloads, the ability to track and manage costs at a granular level becomes paramount. Split cost allocation data provides the tools and insights necessary to navigate this new era of cloud computing, enabling businesses to optimize their resource allocation, drive cost efficiencies, and maximize their return on cloud investments. The implications of this feature extend far beyond the realm of finance, influencing strategic decision-making across various departments and driving a cultural shift towards cost consciousness within organizations. The time for organizations to embrace these advancements is now. By incorporating split cost allocation data into their cloud financial management strategies, businesses can unlock a world of possibilities, paving the way for a future where cloud computing is not only scalable and agile but also cost-effective and financially transparent. The future of cloud financial management is here, and it's granular, insightful, and empowering.